Today I'm going to teach you how you can install your Google Tag Manager account to your WordPress website. So first of all, you have to create your Google Tag Manager account. Just click on it. Then you have to name your account. So in my case, my account name would be Leads Monk. Then select your country. So I belong from India, so I have to select India. Then after, you have to check in this dialog box. Then you have to paste your WordPress website. In our case, I'm using like website version, not any Android and iOS application. So website and then create. Then you have to select again this dialog box, and yes. So now my GTM account is ready. So these are the snippets we have to like paste it to the backend of our WordPress website. So let's jump into our WordPress website. So I'm going to teach you how you can install GTM with the help of plugin. So the name of plugin is GTM for WP. So this is the plugin name. You just need to click on the install now. Now activate. Simply you have to copy this snippet ID and paste it over here. So now you have to turn on this toggle button. Just click on turn on and then save changes. And now you can see GTM code is installed. So further, you can create all types of conversion actions, either it is Google ads or Facebook ads you can create. So if you found this video helpful, do like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. Thank you.